What's up, time travelers? Welcome back to DeLoreanRental.com, your number one destination when looking to rent a DeLorean Time Machine for your next event or a party. We have a big day today. We're traveling all the way from Chicago, Illinois, over to New York City for the Back to the Future, the musical grand opening on Broadway. It's going to be a big night, celebrities, guests, all kinds of fun, and we're going to take you along for the ride. So let's get out of here, get to the airport, and get this party started.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, we made it to New York. Let's get to the hotel and get checked in. Alright guys, we've made it. Opening night, Broadway, Back to the Future. There's already some fans down here getting their pictures in front of the billboard. But we are here, we're ready for opening night, and we'll see you guys tonight. That's a wrap on our trip to the Back to the Future, the musical opening night. I want to thank everybody for watching. Didn't want to film a whole lot inside. Wanted to be respectful, but if you have a chance, come to New York City. Grab your tickets to the Back to the Future, the musical. Head to the Winter Garden on Broadway. It's an unbelievable time, unbelievable cast and crew. Thank you to everybody for such an amazing event, such an amazing night, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.